Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Okay, that's great. Hi, everybody. It's Miss Denise and Lammy. Oh, Lammy's so happy to see all of you today. It's nice that you came back. And today's story is kind of silly. It's about two friends, Piggy and Elephant. So Lammy's excited for me to read the story to you. And let's get ready. Put on your listening ears. And bubble in your mouth. And sit up straight and tall. And we'll get ready for story time. This book is called There's a Bird on Your Head. And it's by Mo Willems. Here's the title page. There is a bird on your head. Look at all those little birds. Look at those little birds there. And another title page. Look at that elephant. He looks kind of worried, right? Look at what the illustrator did to his eyes. And there's Piggy. And this is called a speech bubble. And Piggy says, there is a bird on your head. Oh, look at the two friends are sitting so nicely together. Up, and there's a bird up there. And the bird looks like it's going to land. I wonder where it's going. Look where it landed. On Elephant's head. An elephant in his speech bubble says, Piggy! And he frightens Piggy. Piggy runs away. Is there something on my head? Piggy looks. He says, yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head, says Elephant. Ah! Look at him, he runs away. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Oh, it went away. It's gone. Look at that. Uh-oh, but look what's happening up here. Oh, my. Now there are two birds on your head. How does Elephant look? He doesn't look too happy, does he? What are two birds doing on my head? Piggy says, they're in love. That's silly. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Elephant says, lovebirds? How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Look at Elephant. Does he look happy? Oh, no. Why would two birds make a nest in my head? Oh, Elephant says, I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Piggy gets all the way up and looks. 1, 2, 2 eggs? 3! You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news, says Piggy. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. What happened? What do you think happened there? The baby birds came out of the eggs. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And Piggy says, and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Oh, Elephant looks very angry. He says, somewhere else. Oh, he says it so loudly, he knocked over Piggy. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them, says Piggy. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? Oh, look at the birds are answering. There's a speech bubble by the birds now. And the bird says, no problem. Oh, look how happy Elephant looks. He says, it worked. And the baby chicks say, bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. Oh, where did the birds go? The birds went on Piggy's head. Look at that. How does Piggy look now? He looks a little confused. And he says, you're welcome. Oh, wait a minute. That was a good story, right? Let's see what Lammy thinks about that. Can I go? Oh, Lammy, what'd you think? That was a silly story. And we learned about speech bubbles today, too. We're getting so big. We learned that that's who says it. When the speech bubble is there, that's the character who says the words. Okay, boys and girls, you did a good job. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye.